In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Acuity scheduling in our comprehensive 2025 guide. Acuity scheduling is a popular tool for managing appointments, and occasionally you might find it necessary to update the email address connected to your account, whether you're transitioning to a new email provider or just want to organize your communications differently. This guide will walk you through the process carefully and clearly. Let's get started by heading over to the Acuity scheduling website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Acuity scheduling URL. Once the website has loaded, log in using your account credentials if you're not already logged in. It's important to note that access requirements might depend on your role, so make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your account settings. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the availability section. You should see this option somewhere on the home page or within the main menu. Clicking on availability will bring you to a new page dedicated to your scheduling preferences. Don't worry if it feels a bit cluttered. Just focus on this task and we'll sift through it together. Once you've landed on the availability page, you'll need to shift your attention to the calendar settings. Click on this option. It's the central hub for adjusting how your calendar operates, including where you manage your email settings. The calendar settings may include several options, but for this tutorial, our primary focus is on adjusting the email field. Next comes modifying your send replies email address. Look closely at the settings until you find an option labeled typically as send replies to. Click on the current email address, and you should be able to edit it. Enter your new email address carefully, double-checking for any potential typos to ensure all future replies are handled correctly. With your new email address entered, it's time to wrap things up. To save these changes, simply click on the Save button. This is a crucial step, as failing to save may result in losing all the changes you've just made. So make sure the save operation completes successfully and check for any confirmation message that your email has been updated. And that's it. You've successfully updated your email address on Acuity scheduling. Thanks to this streamlined process, your communications will now be directed to your new address, keeping your operations smooth and efficient. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out our other tutorials for more tips and insights. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your continued scheduling on Acuity.